Hi everybody, Justin Caldwell here from Caldwell Equipment. I wanted to talk to you about Ferris. We have really great discounts on all of our Ferris models right now. I have in particular an extra deep discount on an ISX800 model with the 52-inch deck. I want to show you this awesome commercial machine with full independent suspension. So this is the ISX800 suspension seat, rollover protection, and the truly independent suspension on all four corners. So you got suspension in the front, you've got suspension in the rear. I'm going to show you that this is the FT730V Kawasaki with the vertical air filtration system. Great engine. This machine has a heavy fabricated deck. This is built for commercial use, everyday use. The big story on this model right now is the price, because we've got an extra $750 in discounts right now. So on this top tier here, you can pay on 0% for 48 months. The middle tier, you get a little bit of a discount for paying on a credit or debit card. And then the bottom tier here, this is cash. So cash, cashier's check, or a 0% for 6-month plan that we can also honor the cash discount on. You also take this $750 off of any tier that you choose. So if you're going to pay with cash, you're going to take $750 off of the $10,099 here. Now, this mower is rated to mow 4.2 acres per hour. Very productive machine, and this is going to last you a very long time if you use it residentially. If you're using it commercially, it's going to be a great moneymaker for you and still fit in some tight areas. So look us up online at caldwellequipment.com. Call us or text us at 636-586-9607. Check out our service plan at caldwelladvantage.com. You can actually get the cheapest price possible on the service work for that mower and keep 7 years of coverage on the mower just by getting it serviced here once a year. So we've got an incredible selection of Ferris, Hustler, and Spartan mowers. Please come and see us. We'd be glad to see you in person.